Good morning, little guy. Day 2. Wild Bills. We survived.
I found a shoe! Look at the nature shoe!
We're on a roll. Oh, the baggage. Oh, another baggage. Gotta get that treasure home. Well, Erin and I went swimming with the manatees. Mom and Eric and Dad went to Homosassa Zoo. Welcome to the Eric Cam.
There we go. Should ask Mike if it zooms in on this. What those? Look at that.
Well, their teeth are in the back. They have molars just like you have. They don't have any front teeth.
There he is through the foggy glass. There's another one right there. There he goes. It's the last bit. You can't help it. porpoise tail.
These guys, where he was saying, I suppose you were listening, they're injured.
Digging a hole.
Oh, he's digging. He's digging.
But he is digging a nap.
He's laying it in.
Another vulture. What are you doing, buddy? What are you doing, buddy? What's going on there? Here he comes. Okay. What, am I zooming? No, I'm not zooming. I saw him, yeah, I don't know why he doesn't fly away. Oh my. Why don't you go down there and get one, buddy? He's got a little ponytail. Buddy, buddy. Oh, he's going.
Maybe, yeah, maybe that's what you have it like that. Because
This guy's a wild one.
counting the chick. And sometimes when we're counting
Oh, fish. Oh boy. No, no, buddy. Whoa. You hungry? You hungry, buddy? Okay, buddy. Oh, he doesn't like that. What is it, buddy? Ooh, yummy. Ooh. What do you think, buddy? What do you think about that? Got it.
While they were at Homosassa, we went
Snorkeling.
Clear Springs. It's less clear than Minnesota. Hey, we actually found a sea potato. Mission accomplished. There's a baby. You can't tell, but we're both frozen. What does he say?
We swam with the manatees in Crystal River.
little crab. I would have considered picking up a little octopus.
Wish I could make it go down.
Yay! As long as it's not poisonous.
See what it is.
Crabs. I saw several crabs. Wow. Alright. It's very hard to see all that movement. Oh, look at them all under there. You see them all?
Yeah. Oh.
Poke your net under there so I can see them all. Oh, they're very timid. Oh, these are okay. Yeah, focus. Focus, come on. Yes.
You can actually reach me. I think he's not going to bite me. I could be wrong.
You could be wrong. Oh no, look at it. It's too tight.
Should have brought that little macro lens from your GoPro.
Eric, are your shoes dry? They're wet? Wow, hold it for me.
Oh, jeez.
Oh. Uh-oh.
Okay. Oh, push it a little bit. Okay. He's just better. Wow. Okay.
Oh, come on, Eric.
You just have to grab it like this. Oh, you just can't keep it off. Pretty sure they can't get behind it. Yeah, that's it for sure.
That's the spirit?
Yeah. Well, that's as good as it gets.
Oh, hold it up nice. You don't need a net with you. Hold it up and smile for a picture.
Yeah. Alright. He starts to liking me now. He likes me. He's very comfortable.
Oh, he is comfortable.
Thirsty now, though. He likes that. He likes that. Oh.
you and me all alone. Yeah, that's a little better. What's the zoo do?